Please do well to like, share, and comment. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Kindly join and let me know where you are watching from.
DJ Jerryman. Jesus in your temple.
Welcome on board DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly join, like, share, and comment, and let me know where you are watching from. Welcome on board. The title for this one is Dr. Jesus, Clean Your Temple. Dr. Jesus, Clean Your Temple. Original song produced from this studio. They are all available in all music app stores. DJ Jerryman is the artist. You search for it, you can have it. I have a lot of albums available in most of the platforms. Kindly do so. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and also join this community as we have an amazing moment together. Let's go. Dr. Jesus, clean your temple.
Clean your temple. Clean your temple. Jesus, clean your temple. Clean your temple. Jesus, clean your temple. My body no be for sickness, my blood no be for shame. Anyway, they hide by one wash and clean it. Lord Jesus, clean your temple. Sometimes thou center my system from all the way around. Sometimes stress right nonsense for part of my matter. But I remember say my body now holy zone. So I carry and go meet doctor. Body not God, I'll shout. If your life need wash, if you want fresh anointing, shake your body. Left side, right side, temple they receive fire. Some dead no they see outside. They hide for one. Some pain no they shout loud. They whisper tongue. But Dr. Jesus gets scan now. Welcome design. He they read your tomorrow before today align. But in medicine they manage. Mercy they uproot. When Jehovah clear your system, na favor be the fruit. Funny line and sickness tries poured for my temple. Papa show am door. It's no tenant there. Now Holy Ghost the landlord. Dr. Jesus clean your temple. Clean your temple, yeah. If your body not God, I'll shout so. Jesus, if your life need washing, my doctor, wash my system, flush my reading, tell my weakness to freedom. Oh, again, my doctor, fix my engine, reset my living, change my sorrow to praising. For my boy, because doctor of heaven done make my body whole. Anyway, sickness mark before now, blood. Jesus clean your temple.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. If you are just joining us, please kindly do it to give me a like, share and comment. That means a whole lot to me. God bless you. And please, if you have not joined this community and you just come across this video for the first time, do well to join this community so that you won't miss out. God bless you. The title for this one is Na Court of Heaven. Na Court of Heaven. Welcome on board. Live in the studio.